Let us now start designing the last part, that is part number 7, screw. Screw is shown here in the drawing and the material used is Fe410W. Click on sketch, select front view, draw the rough diagram, that is rough profile of a screw. Let us now start dimensioning. Length is 30 and height is M12, that is half of that 6 mm we have to dimension. Enter 30, 6 mm. Here length is 24 mm and the angle is 90, so half of 24, that is 12. An angle is, click on angle, half of 90, that is 45 mm. Here distance is given as 6 mm, so enter the value as 6 mm. Return, click on revolve protrusion, select the profile, OK. Now select the axis, enter 360 degree, go to sketch. Here we have to make a groove of 2 mm, go to sketch, select front plane. Now make a rectangle of 2 mm depth and 3 mm width. Make it here 1 mm and other side it is 1 mm, so it will be 2 mm in width. Width is 3 mm. Go to return, click on cutout, select the square profile, click on symmetric, drag until it creates a group, click on finish, go to tool, material table, apply model. Wait, material used for the screw is Fe410W. Type Fe410W, apply to model, go to file, file properties, part number 7, save. Enter the file properties, summary, title is screw, go to project, document number 7 and project name is screw. Now click on save. Thank you.